Okay, here we have a Curtis 2H key machine, and I'm going to do a quick demonstration. As you can see, I've loaded a cut key and a blank. Here on the back you've got the post for the topper display. It's got a bunch of keys. I'll try to estimate how many keys. I think there's some inside as well. There's manuals, there's keys on both sides of the display, of course. Lots of automotive keys. So, you know, just basically a complete setup. So I'll go ahead and cut a, oops. There we go. Cut a key here. And voila! There we have a nice cut key. Looks like a perfect match for the original. So the only thing I will mention, I mean, it seems to cut fine, but I don't know if you call this a burnishing wheel or whatever, where you would basically just clean up the key after you cut it, looks to be pretty much wore to the minimum. So that probably needs to be replaced. The cutting wheel seems to be working all right. Definitely this slide needs some lubrication. You know, back and forth is it's pretty tight moving it left to right, so I'm sure it can be cleaned and lubricated. Other than that, motor's nice and quiet, does everything it's supposed to be doing, and comes with a bunch of keys, display, and everything. Thanks.